Are you tired of gulping down pills and still not feeling your best? What if I told you that a cup of tea could be your new best friend for heart health? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal teas that are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your heart. We'll explore 5 incredible herbal teas that can help prevent heart issues, clean your arteries, and even lower that pesky high blood pressure. So get your teacups ready, we're about to spill some heart-healthy tea. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Basil tea. Basil, often associated with mouth-watering Italian dishes, has another delightful use. It makes a fantastic herbal tea. This aromatic herb is not just a culinary superstar, but also a health-boosting ingredient. When brewed into a tea, basil offers a mild, soothing flavor, along with a plethora of health benefits, especially for your heart. One of the standout features of basil tea is its rich antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that fight off free radicals in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to chronic diseases, including heart issues. By neutralizing these free radicals, basil tea helps in maintaining the integrity of your cells, including those in your cardiovascular system. This is crucial for heart health, as it aids in preventing the onset of heart-related problems. Another remarkable benefit of basil tea is its ability to help reduce the accumulation of cholesterol. High levels of cholesterol, particularly LDL, low-density lipoprotein, can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. This can obstruct blood flow and put you at risk for heart issues. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy showed that basil is capable of reducing cholesterol accumulation in macrophages, a type of white blood cell. This is a vital step in preventing arteriosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become narrow and hard due to plaque buildup. By helping to clear these obstructions, basil tea indirectly aids in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Timing can be everything, even when it comes to drinking tea. The best time to enjoy a cup of basil tea for its heart-healthy benefits is in the morning on an empty stomach or late in the evening before bed. Drinking it on an empty stomach allows for better absorption of its nutrients, maximizing the health benefits. However, if you're someone who enjoys multiple cups of tea throughout the day, feel free to indulge. Just try to avoid drinking it immediately after a meal, as it can interfere with iron absorption. Celery tea. Celery might be a staple in your salads and stir-fries, but have you ever considered sipping it as a tea? Yes, you heard that right. Celery tea is a hidden gem in the world of herbal beverages. This simple yet potent drink is not just refreshing, but also packed with benefits that can do wonders for your heart health. Inflammation is often the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can be detrimental, especially to the heart. One of the most compelling reasons to include celery tea in your diet is its anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the cardiovascular system, thereby improving blood flow and reducing the strain on your heart. A consistent intake of celery tea can help manage inflammation levels, making it a valuable addition to any heart-healthy regimen. Coronary diseases are conditions that affect the coronary arteries, which supply blood to the heart muscle. Any obstruction or malfunction in these arteries can lead to severe heart issues. Celery tea comes to the rescue here as well. According to the Natural Products and Bioprospecting magazine, celery contains compounds with antioxidant and hypotensive properties. These compounds can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of developing coronary diseases. By improving blood flow and reducing arterial plaque, celery tea can be a proactive measure to keep your heart in optimal condition. So, when is the best time to enjoy this heart-healthy beverage? If you're looking to maximize the health benefits, consider drinking celery tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of its beneficial compounds. Another good time is in the late afternoon or early evening, especially if you've had a stressful day. The calming effects of celery tea can help you unwind while also doing good for your heart. However, it's advisable to avoid drinking celery tea immediately before or after a meal, as it can interfere with nutrient absorption from your food. Thyme tea. Thyme is often relegated to the spice rack, used to add flavor to various dishes. However, this humble herb has much more to offer, especially when brewed into a tea. Thyme tea is a lesser-known but incredibly potent herbal drink that brings a host of benefits for your heart. With its unique flavor profile and health-boosting properties, thyme tea is a beverage you'll want to make room for in your daily routine. Inflammation is a double-edged sword. While it's a natural defense mechanism, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart problems. Thyme tea is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that can help mitigate this risk. By reducing inflammation in the cardiovascular system, thyme tea helps improve blood circulation and minimizes stress on the heart. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who are at risk of developing heart-related conditions due to chronic inflammation. High levels of bad cholesterol, or low-density lipoprotein, LDL, are a significant risk factor for heart diseases. LDL cholesterol can accumulate on the walls of your arteries, leading to plaque formation and consequently narrowing and hardening of these vital pathways. Thyme tea comes with the added advantage of helping to lower LDL levels. It contains compounds that have been shown to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol in the blood, thereby reducing the risk of plaque buildup and subsequent heart issues. The timing of when you drink thyme tea can also play a role in how effective it is in delivering its heart-healthy benefits. For optimal results, consider having a cup of thyme tea in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. This allows for better absorption of its beneficial compounds. Another opportune time to enjoy thyme tea is in the evening, a couple of hours after dinner. This not only helps in the absorption of nutrients, but also provides a calming effect, which is beneficial for overall well-being, including heart health. White hawthorn tea. White hawthorn tea is often overshadowed by its more popular herbal counterparts, but it's a powerhouse in its own right. When brewed into a tea, white hawthorn offers a unique combination of health benefits that are particularly advantageous for your heart. This herbal infusion is not just a delight for your palate, but also a boon for your cardiovascular system. One of the primary benefits of white hawthorn tea is its ability to help the body release accumulated toxins. These toxins can be harmful and may contribute to various health issues, including stress on the cardiovascular system. By aiding in the detoxification process, white hawthorn tea helps to alleviate this stress, contributing to a healthier heart. Fluid retention is a condition that can exacerbate heart problems by increasing the volume of blood your heart has to pump. White hawthorn tea can help combat this issue. It has properties that fight fluid retention, thereby reducing the workload on your heart and improving your overall cardiovascular health. Rosemary tea. Rosemary is often celebrated for its culinary uses, but its benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. When made into a tea, rosemary becomes a potent health elixir that offers a range of benefits, especially for the heart. With its aromatic scent and distinct flavor, rosemary tea is a must-try for anyone looking to boost their heart health. Rosemary tea is a treasure trove of antioxidants. These compounds are essential for combating oxidative stress, a condition that can lead to cellular damage and contribute to heart diseases. By providing a rich source of antioxidants, rosemary tea helps to fortify your cardiovascular system against potential issues. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells, including those of your heart and blood vessels. Rosemary tea is effective in neutralizing these free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of heart diseases and improving overall cardiovascular health. To get the most out of rosemary tea's heart-healthy benefits, consider drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for the optimal absorption of its antioxidant compounds. Another good time is in the late afternoon or early evening, as the tea's calming effects can help you relax while also benefiting your heart. However, try to avoid drinking it close to mealtimes to ensure that it doesn't interfere with the absorption of nutrients from your food. And there you have it. We've explored basil, celery, thyme, white hawthorn, and rosemary teas, each with its own unique set of benefits for your heart. So why not make these teas a part of your daily routine? Your heart will definitely send you a love note. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love and health one cup at a time. And remember, your heart will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Cheers to a heart-healthy life.